So welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been having an absolutely fantastic day. So for today's look, we are going to be transformed into half a face of Venom and just half a face of Beauty. If you would like to see how I created this look, you can keep on watching. So starting with a base, we're going to be doing the beauty side first. Definitely listening to Kanye's new album. Did some foundation and then doing some contouring just to keep the beauty side on tip-top shape. Using my OFRA bronzer, just bronzing up the face. OFRA eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to be doing a black smoky eye. I feel this palette is perfect as it has a lot of cool tones in it. And the black blends out really easily. Using my Viva Diva liquid liner, just making a nice sharp wing. And then just brushing some gel through the brow. Cutting up some strip lashes. And then just putting some mascara on the bottom lash line. That's going to be the most you're going to be doing for the beauty side. Using my black water paint from Kryolan and a very thin brush. I'm just using a nail art brush. I'm going to start sketching out the outlines of where I want Venom's face to go. Using a thicker brush, I'm going to start filling in the gaps. Make sure you blend the black into the hairline so that it disappears and creates a bigger venom infected area. And then just filling in underneath the jaw, connecting all the lines and starting to fill up the space. Filling in the gaps between the teeth, this is going to create some depth inside the mouth and make it look like the teeth are standing out. Just keep painting, make sure to put some black paint inside your ear as well. Then moving over to my MAC paint palette, I'm just using some red paint to start outlining the gums. Using a slightly more fluffy brush, because you can make the gums look kind of like brushed out. Moving on to some white paint for the eye. Just create a nice white base. You will be adding some blue shading over this to make the eye look like it's slightly more round. Same goes for the teeth. You want to coat the teeth in white. And then using some black, yellow and brown shading, you're going to make the teeth look like they have a lot more texture than they have. That way they look rounded and like they're standing out of the mouth. There's the blue. It's just going to give the eye a slightly more glossy look instead of making it look so flat. And then instead of having like a really straight eye, I decided to make it slightly more bumpy so that it adds to the effect of those little vines growing over the face. Adding white highlights to the gum, it's just going to make it look slightly more realistic. And then adding to the veins and the venom running across the face, you're going to use a lot of white paint to create little veins, and because everything's just black, so you want to make it look like there's different stuff growing or flowing over the face. These can go wherever, they don't have to be precise, you can just draw a bunch of lines. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Or in the comments if you would like to see me do another half face, like a split of half beauty, half villain, half character, then we can definitely do another one of those. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely blessed day and I'll see you in the next one.